question. This question is very important in the examination point of view. In board exam, it repeatedly it's asked, so it's very important. Let's see. It's given if x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square for some c greater to 0, prove that this value is a constant independent of a and b. Means it should be constant. The simplified form of this should be constant, as well as it should be free from a and b. Okay, so first we have to simplify that, and for that we require dy upon dx as well as d square y upon dx square. So we will find both the value first. So it's given this differentiate. This is given x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square. Differentiate with respect to x. So here we will write d by dx of this t will be 2t, means x minus a, and d by dx of t will be, means d by dx of this bracket will be 1 only, plus here d by dx of this bracket square it will be 2 into y minus b into d by dx of the bracket, means d by dx of y will be dy upon dx, and d by dx of constant b will be 0, which means dy upon dx we will get here equal to d by dx of c square, means constant, will be 0. Now in the next step, dy upon dx we have to find, we require that. So dy upon dx equal to, will get this, we will shift, it will become minus 2 x minus a upon this, we will shift downside, so it will become 2 into y minus b. So 2 will be cancelled, which means we got here dy upon dx equal to x minus a upon y minus b, and this is minus. This is equation 1. Let's make a section by, because this is very lengthy question. Next one, we want the second derivative also. So differentiate with respect to x again. So d square y upon dx square equal to, here we will apply division rule. So here in the denominator we write square y minus b whole square second square. This is first and this is second. So what is the division rule? Second into d by dx of first minus first into d by dx of second upon second square. So second square we wrote. Second into y minus b into d by dx of first. So here minus sign is there. So minus sign will write first here outside. Now second y minus b into d by dx of x minus a will be 1. Okay, no need to write 1. Now again minus first into d by dx of second, x minus a into d by dx of second, means y minus b. So we will get dy upon dx, and this will be 0, means we can write dy upon dx only. Okay, in the next step we will write d square y upon dx square equal to minus bracket of y minus b bracket complete minus x minus a into dy upon dx is given this. So we can substitute here. So it is negative, so minus minus it will become plus, and x minus a we will write upon y minus b, so it will become x minus a upon y minus b upon y minus b whole square. This. So we will get here x minus a whole square we can get upon y minus b. This will. Okay. In the next step we can take LCM. So we will get here d square y upon dx square equal to, we will take LCM minus sign. We will take LCM, so it will be y minus b whole square minus, plus x minus a whole square upon, this is in denominator, this is in denominator, so we can multiply y minus b whole cube. We can write cube. Now this is the second derivative. This equation we can give equation 2. Now Let's see the another step. This we have to find. So we'll write here 1 plus dy upon dx whole square raised to power 3 by 2 upon d square y upon dx square equal to, we'll put the value here. This will be 1 plus dy upon dx whole square. So this is the value of dy upon dx. It is square. So because of square, this minus will become plus. So plus only. It is square. So x minus a whole square we can write. Upon this is y minus b whole square we can write. Raised to power 3 by 2. And denominator, in the denominator d square y upon dx square. So this value we got here. You can write that. What will get? Minus y minus b whole square plus x minus a square upon y minus b whole cube. Okay. We can take LCM. This we can write here. This we will take LCM, so we'll get y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square upon y minus b raised to power 2 raised to power 3 by 2 into, this will be reciprocal. We know that, or we can write here, this value will be c because this is given here c. So you can substitute here only. Here only we can write here, but now we will substitute. So what will it will reciprocal it? So this will be minus, and we will get here y minus b whole cube upon this this will be y minus b square plus x minus a square. We got this. Now in the next step we will write minus, this is square c square, so we can substitute c square and raised to power 3 by 2, so we write 3 by 2 also upon, this is the whole square of this also, so we can write y minus b raised to power 2 into 3 by 2. So here also power of the power we can multiply power, so which means we can write c raised to power 2 into 3 by 2 into, we can write here y minus b cube upon, this is also c square, we can write c square, y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square is equal to c square. So we can write less c square this 2 will be cancelled, this 2 will be cancelled, so we got here minus c cube upon, this is y minus b cube into y minus b cube upon c square. So this square will be cancelled with cube, this cube will be cancelled with this bracket, so we got minus c, and that is the constant also, and it is independent with the a and b. So this will be, in this way we can simplify.